Hi wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. To my new and old subscribers, a warm welcome to you. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, follow this page, like, share and comment for you to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I cook this delicious abacha known as African salad. Yeah, though we have different ways of making it. Keep watching and let's get started. To begin, in a bowl, I poured in the abacha. Yeah, poured some water to it and let it soak for like 4 minutes. Once that is done, rinse the abacha and drain out the excess water out and set aside. Next, for this recipe, I'll be using some shrimps. They are properly clean. Now I went ahead to season with some homemade chicken broth, mix to combine and let it marinate for like 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, in a saucepan, pour in some red palm oil and allow it to heat up. Yeah, once that is done, add in the marinated shrimps, cook and fry until it is well cooked. Keep stirring so it doesn't get burnt, okay? Once the shrimps is done like so on the screen, now scoop it out and set it aside. In the same saucepan, pour in some red palm oil, allow it to heat up, yeah? Once that is done, add in some salt to it, then add the chopped onions, fry for like 2 minutes. 2 minutes now, add in the chopped fresh tomatoes, okay? Stir fry for like 5 minutes. Now go ahead and add in the roughly blended red pepper. Stir and fry until it reduces in quantity. Looking at the screen now, you will notice that it has really reduced in quantity, okay? Now add in the seasoned cubes, some grounded crayfish, add in your ogiri seed, that is the fermented locust beans. Add in your dry Cameroonian pepper at your taste and keep stirring. Next, go ahead and add in the abacha. Upaka, known as oil beans. Now, I topped it up with some more grounded crayfish, add some fried shrimps to it. Feel free to adjust for salt or seasonings, okay? Mix until it is well combined. Here I added some spinach to it, okay? But this is optional. Just that I needed something greenish here, okay? Yeah, once done, mix to combine. Once done mixing, go ahead and cover it for like 1 minute so it heats up, okay? 1 minute now, give it a gently and lovely stir, take off the heat, and it is ready. Serve with any chilled drink of your choice. Tasted super delicious and yummy-licious. If you haven't tried out this recipe, please do, because you are missing out. Or are you the type that don't like potash or ungu? This recipe is for you. You will love it. Thank you all for watching and see you in my next video. Remain blessed. Bye.